But guess what? We got 2 new parts. I'm just going, since I already got this off already, I'm going to go ahead and just going to replace the crankshaft sensor underneath the truck with the new one. Then we got the new camshaft sensor on top of the truck that I'm going to replace. I'm about to do that right now, but I can get up here and kind of show y'all where the crankshaft is, man. So hold on right. All right, YouTube, you see that hole right there? That's where the crankshaft goes, man, underneath the truck, man. And then it is, so let me see if I can do this with one hand, but it's a wire inside this little plastic thing. There you go, you can see it. Yeah, so I gotta put that back in, and it's hold on by a 10mm bolt. So I'm underneath the truck on the passenger side, right here on the engine block. You see the engine block orange, so you know it's the Hemi. But I'm gonna cut y'all, I'm gonna put that back on, cut y'all back on, and then we're gonna peep out the crankshaft on top of the engine. All right, YouTube, we are back. Got it plugged in, bolted in. Y'all can see. Try and give y'all the best lighting. Like I said, 10mm bolt. Got it plugged in. Took me about 10 minutes. I had to push it in there with that new rubber fitting. It was kind of difficult, but you know we got it done though. See how the better angle. All right, YouTube, got it done. Y'all can see, got it bolted in there, pushed in with the heat wrap. Like I say, that plug, 10mm bolt pushed in, well, screwed in, sensor pushed in, we good to go. And that's the crankshaft sensor. The camshaft sensor is on top of the engine, which we about to do right now. All right, YouTube, battery about to die, so we're gonna do this kind of real quick. This right here is the camshaft sensor on the 392 Hemi. I'm pretty, and the 5.7 they all right here too. Like I said, it's the camshaft. I just replaced it. That's what it looked like right here. Like I said, 10mm bolt right here. That's all you need to do. I had to pop the cover off, and my what's that called, oil catch can, but at least see how full that is. I haven't dumped that probably about since maybe this I'm gonna say September, and I'm shooting this video in January. So yeah, but right here, this sensor is the crankshaft sensor. This is underneath the truck on the passenger side, on the bottom of the engine. So like I said, actually I had to replace this one, but I got them mixed up when I went to the store, because you know this is a cam shaft and this is the crank shaft, man. So either way, now I got 2 brand new sensors. Should be cool now. It should clear the code. It might not clear the code, may have to reset it, but definitely will not come back on though. So y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe. We got it done in this 20-something degree weather. It is what it is. But hey, better than off taking to a shop, man. It took me about because I had to go to the store once I realized I ain't had this right sensor. But took me about what, I'm gonna say 30 minutes on the bottom and 2 minutes up top. So 2 minutes for the camshaft. This took me about 30 minutes because it's of a tight space down there with the car jacked up. Probably might be better if I take the wheel off, but my hand, my arm got in there in between the suspension. And like I said, it's on the bottom of the engine on the passenger side. So, but yeah, got it done, man. Young Rich 419, y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe. And we got more vids coming, man. Like I said, don't forget to support y'all vehicle, man. All right, support the vehicle, man. Support the vehicle with the jack stands, man. You don't want nothing falling on you now. All right, y'all. Peace.